So, in this series of videos, it's just got to be about heat pumps. But they look at me my backwards. I look like something like Limp Biscuit. I'm rolling. Anyway. So, I've got my laptop here as well because I cannot remember everything. So, on these videos, I've never installed a heat pump and I'm about to start. And the place I'm going to start is here in my own gaff. So, last week I inquired to like the fit at home scheme where if you're in the trade, like a plumber or heating engineer, you can fit a heat pump in your house funded through the grant, the bus grant, boiler upgrade scheme. Or Home Energy Scotland is a wee doing, and they will fund the heat pump, cylinder, and like stuff to make it work, but you need to do the pipe work, the fittings, and the electrical work. But they'll supply like all the components and all that. So one was I had to fit a variant. I can't actually remember the name of it, so I'm going to look in my mail. Search. Heat pump. I'll just search heat pump because I can't spell variant or valiant. Is it valiant or variant? Mr. Central, Mr. Bosch. Please go. No. I don't think this is synced in a while. Second of the 4th. No, it's not. So there's no point reading it off my laptop. Right, so there was 2 I registered with, and I'm going to go with the second one because on the second one you can actually fit Mr. Bosch one. They've already spec'd it for me to. Right, you know what? I'm going to get the spec up now. Right, so I'm back and I've took a screenshot on my phone and messaged it to my laptop. So the umbrella scheme is Alto Energy. I'm sure that was it. Yeah. And they've just done a quick quote for me based on energy certificate from 2017 when I bought this place. So what is included is the Mr. Bosch CS 2000 R32 12 kilowatt single phase heat pump. So there's been no heat calculations done yet of anything, but they've just done it off that, and they said it needed 12 kilowatts, but it's been designed on worst case scenario. This quote's been done in worst case scenario. A Bosch media control kit, a pump, an immersion relay kit, installation essential kit, a 46 kilowatt buffer. Right, buffers. Do you need one or do you not need one? It depends who you speak to. It depends on manufacturers as well, but I need to look into that more. Kit includes insulated hoses, hose isolation valve, pair, insulation, mag filter, a 25 litre buffer, 10 metre external insulation pack, wall sleeve, flush and fill valve, and 4 lever ball valves. I don't think they've got any antifreeze valves on that, but I'll check. Then a premium 28mm 3-port valve, a fix it through 600 trio. I think that must just be the feet for the heat pump to sit on, anti-vibration feet. Then you get an installation kit, a Bosch Media 12 kilowatt single phase kit, includes a 6-way consumer unit with SPD, Type B RCD, heat pump MCB, and an immersion MCB. Oh, then antifreeze valve kit, 28mm. Then a 180 unvented cylinder. I have 1 bath and 2 showers, so might need up that because they like to put a power tank in as well. So I'll need to speak to them about that. But when the heat loss, the size of the heat pump might come down. So we can see some of that. Then designed to latest MCS standards, including engineer field visit, heat pump system design, room by room heat loss calculation, performance estimate, production of schematics, managed application to DNO for connection, purchase of consumer protection, insurance and grant administration. Then commissioning package, heat pump installation completion, set to work, commissioned. So basically, an engineer comes out and sets it all up for you and commissions it for the MCS certificate. So that's it. So I've already phoned Home Energy Scotland and I've started the application process through them. And it's actually, they send you they ask you all these questions on the phone, you go through that. Then they send it off, then they tell you some stuff you need. So on my energy certificate, it says I don't have cavity wall insulation. So I need to get that. But when I moved my boiler, like when we first moved in here, I'm sure there was cavity wall insulation in it, but I need to get the certificate updated and I need to use one of the approved contractors. But there's also a £1,500 grant if I don't have it. And he said something about sidewall as well. I didn't even know that was a thing. But I'll get that checked out anyway. So, I don't know what else to talk about right now. So, this video is just got it, because I'm an installer as well, so I'm going to install it myself. But I'm going to do the full thing, every process. So I was on the phone. Home Energy Scotland were brilliant. At first they weren't too sure about the scheme and what advice to give me. But they phoned me back within like 15 minutes with all the information, all the terms and conditions, and how to go forward. So we done that. I've informed my guy at Alto who I'm dealing with what's happening. Then I think I just need to wait for Home Energy Scotland. But none of it includes my level 3 qualification for it, but I'm going to do it myself. So I'm just going to document this full thing. And next thing to do is, I know how to do heat loss calculations, but so I know how to do them, but I don't do them. So that's the next thing, is to start practicing that. And where can I practice it? In my gaff. I think it's -2 of Settlers, Glasgow City or something, I can't remember. I'll need to find a PDF file and take it through there. But so, this has just got to be a series on just heat pumps and installing one and seeing how it works. That's all.